What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing baby butternut squash today, air fried. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So the only thing we gotta do, we just gonna cut the ends off, y'all. Cut one end off, cut the other off, cut it in half. Real simple, y'all. Now those baby butternut squash that I had to take off my plant because we got that little cold snap. Killed my squash plant. But that's okay, y'all. We still gonna eat this fruit. We still gonna eat this fruit. So, of course, you know, we gonna have to rain on it. Get them with a little salt, a little pepper. Come in with our spritzy spritz. It's nothing but a spray bottle with some olive oil in it, y'all. You'll never have to buy cooking spray again. And we're gonna set our air fryer at 425 for 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and get our squash in. And oh yeah, this ain't gonna take long, y'all. Ain't gonna take long. About halfway through, we're gonna give them a flip and turn them on the other side. And hit them with a little bit of olive oil on that side too, y'all. Now, with our last 3 minutes, we're gonna flip them back over. And we're gonna give them the knife test. See about where we at. And they almost done. You know, just a little poke. You want them to be tender, but not too tender. You still want to have some texture to them, some give. Now, after I did our check, the smallest piece was done, but the rest wasn't. So we let those finish off the last 3 minutes, and they ready now, y'all. They ready. That's from not cutting it directly in half though, y'all. That's why that first one was done already. But anyway, let's go ahead and give these a taste. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get us a piece so we can get us a taste. Now, of course, I done tasted this. These taste like butternut squash, but they don't really taste like butternut squash. You know, they have that kind of sweet flavor, but at the same time, they taste like summer squash with a better texture and a little bit more of a sweet kick to it. It's hard to explain, y'all, but they good though. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.